morning, first class children. Are you all ready for the class? Okay. Have you done the practice, the words which I had sent to you? Okay. So what are the words I had sent? No, you have to do the practice more. Okay. Do the learning practice and writing practice in your rub book. But only one time should have to write in the class book, children. Okay. Now, and some more bits I am going to send you in the message. నేను కొన్ని పిక్చర్స్ మీకు మెసేజ్లో పంపిస్తున్నాను. ఆ పిక్చర్స్ మీరు డ్రా చేసి పేరు రాయాలి. యూ హ్యావ్ టు డ్రా ద పిక్చర్స్ అండ్ నేమ్ దోస్. ఓకే, నేమ్ యూ షుడ్ హ్యావ్ టు రైట్ ద నేమ్. ఇఫ్ యూ డ్రా ద పిక్చర్ ఆఫ్ బ్రష్, then you write the name of the picture. After drawing that picture of brush, write it, spell the word and write BRUSH. If you draw the picture comb, అంటే comb డ్రా చేస్తే దాని స్పెల్లింగ్ కింద రాయండి. అర్థమైందా? సో పిక్చర్స్ పంపించినవన్నీ పేరు రాయాలి, కలరింగ్ చేయాలి. యూ హ్యావ్ టు కలర్ ఇట్ ఆల్సో after doing that drawing. One more, see, one more picture is there. I am going to send that one. It is in the column. Okay, you have to write the name of the picture and write the suitable word which it needs for this given picture. Understand? For example, see, listen here. మీకు అర్థమవుతుందా నేను చెప్పడము? ఇక్కడ 2 columns ఉంది. ఇటు పిక్చర్ ఉంది, అటువైపు పిక్చర్ ఉంది. ఓకే, సో ఇదేంటి? ఇది టీత్. ఎగ్జాంపుల్ టీత్. ఓకే, ఎస్, యూ రైట్ ద నేమ్ ఆఫ్ ద పిక్చర్ టీత్, ఫస్ట్ కాలమ్. ఓకే, ఫర్ టీత్కి ఏం కావాలి? బ్రష్ కావాలా, కోమ్ కావాలా? దానికి ఏం అవసరం ఉంటుంది? బ్రష్. దెన్ యూ కీప్ ద ఐఫన్, దేర్ యూ రైట్ బ్రష్. ఇస్ ఇట్ క్లియర్ చిల్డ్రన్? Number 2, suppose now I am going to use now shower. One boy is taking the shower. Okay, స్నానం చేస్తున్నాడు అబ్బాయి. అయితే ఈ అబ్బాయికి ఏం కావాలి? Here it is soap. Okay, and here I am using the again comb. What he needs now? Soap, isn't it? Then you write the picture. For bath you need soap, isn't it? So like this you have to select. Here I had given the pictures, but here you should write the name of the picture and related word. Choose the related word and you have to write, children. Is it clear? This is the second objective. Okay, next see, the third one is puzzle. I am going to send you the puzzle, children. Okay, puzzle etla ante nenu cheptanu. Listen here, I will write the heading. This is C. Okay, now bit number C, what is that? Identify the right, you just follow me, try to understand and get ready. Okay, identify the cutout words. Identify the, it's a new objective, children. Identify the cutout words and put them in the, and put them together and put them together to form a proper word. Put them together to form a proper word. To form a proper word. Is it clear, children? This is the way. For example, I will show you. You have to understand. This is a small puzzle. It comes under puzzle. Okay. Now teacher will draw. Afterwards, I will draw the big column. First, try to understand here. I will write the complete word. T-E. Okay. I will break the words. C-O. Then here C-L-O. Next one S-O. W-A. Okay, B-R-U. Next one C-L-E. H-O. S-L-E. E-A-R. Next one N-I-G. Okay, now what you should do? Now teacher will draw a column. Okay, just listen, children. This is a small puzzle. You will enjoy while writing. See, you have to draw this column. Okay, now get ready. Now teacher will write the words. Okay, now you have to guess which word is suitable for to join those cutout words. Okay. This is TE. Okay. Next one, AP, LY, HT, EP. Okay. Next one, AN. Next one, CH. Okay. Completed. Now what we are going to do now? See here. Next one is HO. HO is also one of the word. You can't. Now see here, listen children. I had given the now listen here children. Okay. Now you have to guess the other words. How will you guess? Now tell me now. Tell me the correct word. First word. I don't have the place, so I am writing here. TE. Complete the word. Wait, what is it here? TEETH. Teeth. Got it now? Number 2. CO. What is this? Comb. 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 You got it children now? Like this you have to find out. CLO. What is this? CLO. Now you have to write number 3. CLOTH. 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 I'm sorry. It's a cloth. SO. Where is the word to complete it? SOAP. 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 Next one. Water. 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 Like this you have to complete the words. Other related words. Okay. Now you have to find out the other words. How many words I had given? 3, 4, 5. 11. Okay. So please follow this way and you have to complete the other words. Okay. Now teacher will send it in this objective thing. Those 3 bits you have to complete it. And tomorrow teacher will give you the very few question answers. Okay. Now you complete this one. Those 3 bits. Otherwise you can draw this grid with the help of your parents. మీ పేరెంట్స్ హెల్ప్ తీసుకొని ఇట్లాంటి వర్డ్ గ్రిడ్ని ఫామ్ చేసుకొని మీరు ఈ వర్డ్స్ని ఇట్లా కంప్లీట్ చేయాలి. ఇక్కడ బ్రేక్అవుట్ అయింది. లెటర్స్ అన్ని వర్డ్స్ని నేను బ్రేక్అవుట్ చేశాను. బ్రేక్అవుట్ అంటే హాఫ్ ఉంది. ఓకే. ఇక్కడ పైన ఒక హాఫ్ ఉంది, ఈ గ్రిడ్ లోపల ఒక హాఫ్ వర్డ్స్. ఇవి రెండిట్లే జాయిన్ చేసి మీరు కంప్లీట్ వర్డ్ చేయాలి. సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద హెడ్డింగ్ ఐ హెడ్ గివెన్? ఐడెంటిఫై ద కట్అవుట్ వర్డ్స్ and put them together to form a proper word. Is it clear now? So you have to do this thing. Okay. See, it is something different now for you all. Chesara puzzle. Then okay. Now I'll send you this also in the message. But I will write only this cutout words and complete words. But you have to write on this. Okay. You have to make it this one and you have to complete it. Tomorrow teacher will give you the question answers children. So you complete those 3 bits. Okay. So today this class is completed. Tomorrow teacher will give you the question answers and I'll give you the some oral drilling practice. Okay. Thank you children. Take care.